In the world of crypto, numerous blockchains coexist, each with its unique features. Among them, one blockchain stands out as the backbone of the ecosystem: Polkadot. Welcome to Whiteboard Invest, your #1 go-to source for clear and concise investing knowledge explanation. Here, we break down complex financial concepts using a simple whiteboard format, making learning about investing accessible to everyone. In today's video, we'll explore Polkadot, its interoperability features, and the benefits it brings to the table. As the name suggests, the Polkadot blockchain resembles the pattern of polka dot fabric, with interconnectedness between the individual dots. Frequently dubbed as the Internet of Blockchains, Polkadot facilitates interconnectedness between various blockchains, akin to the way the Internet connects different networks. You might be curious about the significance of Polkadot. Why bother consolidating multiple blockchains into one? To tackle this question, let's rewind to the inception of the earliest blockchains. The decentralization aspect of blockchain technology sparked considerable excitement and interest. Many individuals were attracted to the concept of conducting transactions without the need for intermediaries such as banks, governments, or other centralized organizations. Yet, along with the advantages of removing intermediaries came the most significant challenge for blockchains: speed and scalability. Both Bitcoin and Ethereum suffer from being too slow, with the ability to process only a limited number of transactions per second. Additionally, users face high gas fees, which they must pay for their transactions to be processed promptly. Moreover, because of their reliance on the proof-of-work model, these blockchains consume substantial amounts of electrical energy. To address this issue, Ethereum proposed an enhanced version, Ethereum 2.0, which pledges improved scalability, security, and sustainability. However, with Ethereum 2.0 still in progress, Polkadot couldn't afford to wait and took it upon themselves to address these challenges. Polkadot is undergoing a complete reinvention of the original blockchain architecture to tackle the scalability and performance issues users are encountering. Polkadot is undergoing a complete reinvention of the original blockchain architecture to tackle the scalability and performance issues users are encountering. What exactly is Polkadot? Polkadot is an open-source blockchain platform and cryptocurrency situated at Layer 0. It facilitates the connection and operation of multiple blockchains within its network. Essentially, bridges enable parachains and parathreads to interact with external networks such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, thus enhancing the interoperability of the Polkadot blockchain. It's the pioneering project of its kind, consolidating previous blockchains onto one platform alongside newer ones. That's why some people liken Polkadot to the Internet of Blockchains. What is the Polkadot ecosystem? The simplest way to conceptualize the Polkadot ecosystem is by drawing parallels to how the Internet functions. These days, the Internet enables a wide range of activities, from gaming and e-commerce to e-learning. The potential for maximizing the Internet for everyday use is virtually limitless. With Web 3.0, integrating blockchain capabilities into the Internet has become a reality. This integration is what has propelled decentralized applications, or dApps, to become a sensation on the Internet in the 21st century. For blockchain capabilities to be effectively maximized on the Internet, there must be a form of interconnection between different types of blockchains. This way, users can make use of a variety of services from different blockchains at the same time. So how does Polkadot work? Within the Polkadot ecosystem, the foundational central chain is referred to as the relay chain. The non-native blockchains operating on top of the underlying network are termed parachains. The relay chain serves as the backbone of Polkadot's ecosystem, ensuring synchronization among parachains through a proof-of-stake consensus model. There are no constraints on the types of blockchains that can be incorporated into the platform, ranging from private chains to public chains, oracles, and even future blockchain technologies that have yet to emerge. Indeed, Polkadot offers a primary blockchain software development toolkit, STK, called Substrate, enabling developers to construct their own parachains to function on the Polkadot network. Before integrating a blockchain onto Polkadot, a testing and development blockchain platform called Kusama is utilized to conduct parachain slot auctions. These auctions are overseen by validators and determine which parachain ultimately launches on Polkadot. To participate in the auctions as a validator, you must possess Polkadot's native token, DOT. The token is also utilized to validate transactions on Polkadot and plays a crucial role in staking, governance, and the evolution of the project. The project that offers the most DOT before the auction concludes secures the parachain slot. Projects have the option to bid for a slot using their own DOT or through a crowd loan. A crowd loan, also known as a parachain loan offering, PLO, is a method for a project to raise DOT from its community and investors to bid for a parachain slot. What advantages does Polkadot offer? Indeed, the Polkadot ecosystem offers numerous benefits. The primary appealing feature of Polkadot is its interoperability. Polkadot is the pioneering blockchain platform to facilitate interoperability among other blockchains in a revolutionary manner. Certainly, while blockchains offer a trustless method for transactions, the current model of isolated blockchains can lead to dominance by a few leading market players, granting them disproportionate control over the market space. Essentially, the desire to ensure users retain full control over their data and identity is what ignited significant interest in developing decentralized applications on the Web 3.0 platform. By leveraging the Polkadot ecosystem and the utilization of parachains, users gain access to a plethora of decentralized services, all within the same network. Moreover, the parachains are validated on the relay chain in parallel to each other, thereby unlocking immense scalability potential. Polkadot also provides heightened security measures. Polkadot ensures a high level of security for the entire network, making it resilient against attacks. Another advantage of Polkadot is its capability to expedite the development of an entirely new blockchain. With the Polkadot Substrate SDK tool, developers can swiftly craft new blockchains tailored for specific use cases. Furthermore, developers can harness the technologies of existing parachains on the network, enhancing the functionality and capabilities of their own blockchains. For example, if you have a blockchain that requires smart contract functionality, you can integrate existing parachains on the Polkadot network that offer smart contract capabilities rather than building them from scratch. With its scalability, interoperability, and security features, Polkadot is poised to emerge as the backbone of the decentralized internet. And that wraps it up for what you should know about the Polkadot blockchain and its ecosystem. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really hope that you learned something. Because of YouTube's algorithm, please give me a like so that this video can reach and help more bros. And click the subscribe button if you don't want to miss my next explainer video.